Marketers use display ads to behaviorally target and retarget prospects. Today's solutions, however, rely on outdated methods and technology. So what if there was a dramatically improved and simplified way to reach more prospects more often and more effectively? There is, and this is it. We use data in a completely new way to create and manage highly flexible and transparent campaigns with granular level insight that produce better results. Here's how it works. You start with instant access to valuable element-level data on virtually every consumer. Next, we create custom audiences of users who have searched on keywords that you would like to target. Display ads then reach your audience globally across hundreds of thousands of websites. Next step, you acquire new customers. Keyword-level search retargeting allows you to reach more searchers more often. And keyword contextual targeting allows you to reach consumers who navigate to sites without using a search engine at all. Okay, but what makes this so much better? Well, unlike slow-building cookie-based campaigns, you're at full strength immediately. And unlike pre-built data segment campaigns, you have the flexibility and visibility to continuously optimize. As a result, you get deeper insight into your customers and better campaign performance. Ready to get started? Contact your digital sales consultant today.